Hi Nail Fam, hope that you are well. The brand TOBE GLAM was kind enough to send me over their Take Me Home Polygel Kit, which I will be unboxing. And as you can see from the interior of the box, it says Hello Gorgeous. The packaging is really cute. So included in this kit is a little note here, TOBE GLAM Nail Extension Gel Kit. And inside is just an information pamphlet giving you instructions on how to use the polygel. So also included in the kit is these 6 set of polygel colors. There are also some dual forms, which I hardly ever use. But if you are a user of dual forms, there's 2 sets in here, a stiletto and a regular sized one. The thumb does look a little bit small for my fingers, so I probably wouldn't be able to use them anyway. So also we have a cute little mini UV lamp for you to be able to cure your nails, which is very nice to have in a polygel kit. So just going to quickly show you, it does come with a little USB cord, and then it is a pretty little pastel pink, and this is how it looks. Very sturdy, very strong, not flimsy at all. So it's very nice to have a UV lamp for your nails. So also included in this kit, we do have a 100-180 file. We do have a polygel brush. One side has a spatula and the other side has the brush. And then we have these cute little base coat and top coat bottles right here. The packaging is absolutely cute and gorgeous. So now let's move on to the polygel. We have this first one here called Pure, which is just a clear polygel. Then we have this beautiful one that says Pretty Much, which looks like a pink kind of glitter polygel. And then You're My Queen, which seems to be a shimmer polygel. And Oh She Pretty, that's another gorgeous purple polygel. And then we have the Sweet Talk, which seems to be a natural pink, and another pink here, just in pink. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you as well. All right, so here is the polygel brush. It's a beautiful brush. We got some brown bristles, which means they are good quality. So I'm just going to start off with just in pink. I'm going to take a small dot pea size of the polygel and just pat them onto these little swatch round discs that I got from Shein. And as you can see, the polygel is nice and stiff. It is not sticky at all. And even though there was no slip solution included, I am using isopropyl alcohol on the brush and just patting them into place. And I'm having no issues with bubbling. I'm not having any issues with the polygel picking up. I actually prefer stiffer polygel because I know that they won't move. But also, it is kind of cold here in Ireland. It's starting to get really cold, so I don't know if that contributed to the stiffness of the polygel. But I'm not having any difficulties moving this around. And this glitter is such a pretty, look at that shimmer. It has like a shimmer and a glitter effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of the 4 colors that I have in this kit. And then we are going to be doing some really cool nail designs. So this polygel here is a nice natural pink there. You can see if you wanted to do some really natural nails, definitely this color would be great. So we're going to move on to this next polygel, and it is such a beautiful shimmery color. It's like the perfect girly pink that you've ever saw. I just absolutely love this color. It's just really pretty. Absolutely love it. All of the colors in this kit are absolutely pretty, and they all kind of complement each other. So you could use any 2 of them and you know that they're going to look good. You can never have too much pink, and I feel like each pink is still different. Each color in this kit still stands on its own. Absolutely obsessed with this purple. Very happy to have this color in the kit. It has the shimmer effect just like that pink as well. So these polygel are really good quality polygel. Definitely recommend them. Sometimes some brands can be super sticky. Obviously, if you want your polygel to be a little bit more stickier, a little bit on the runnier side, that's your preference. But I really love stiff polygel because I don't have the issue with them flooding the cuticles or having so much cleanup to do. So definitely recommend. Okay, so this is the last polygel, which is just the clear. So I'm going to go in with some of that top coat on the back of these, and that is how they look. So now let's move on to the nail design. So I decided to use these two polygels here, and to prepare these nails, I'm just going to go in with my primer over all of the back of the nails just to give it a chemical etching. And then once I am done applying primer to all of the nails, I'm going to go ahead and grab that TOBE GLAM base coat and just apply some base coat to the entire nail. I am going to be doing the Femi Beauty Method or the Lazy Girl Method, whichever one you like to call it, and apply the polygel to the nails and then adhere them to my nails. So to avoid wasting product when I do the Lazy Girl Method, I just apply to 60% of the nail, and then I'm just going to take my polygel brush with some isopropyl alcohol and just pat this really thin into the nail, just patting it down, patting and pulling it down very gently until it covers the inside of the nail. I'm going to be using the foil glue method, which is just applying some water-based foil glue to my nails. This will allow me to be able to pop these nails back off once I am done with this design. So once it has dried down pretty clear, then I'm going to float some of this base gel over the entire nail, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds under my UV lamp. Once I'm done curing my nail, then I take that polygel nail, which is still wet, I didn't cure this, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my nail, pressing down very gently and making sure to straighten the nail. And once I'm satisfied, then I pop that under the UV lamp. I did go off camera and do the exact same thing for my ring finger. All right, so now let's move on to the other nails. I'm going to take the other color, the Just in Pink, and we're going to apply this to the remaining 3 nails, doing the same process of applying base gel, putting the polygel on, patting it into place, and then adhering it to my nails. Here's how the nails are looking once I am done. I'm going to take my 100-180 file, and I'm also going to take my buffer and just start to shape the nail. So at the edge of the nail, sometimes there's like a little tip to the edge, and I take my file and I file that down. And then once I'm done, I take my little buffer and we're just going to go ahead remove that shiny surface off the top of the nail. All right, here's how the nails are looking so far. So now let's go in with a layer of base gel over all of the nails, and we're gonna get ready to add some designs to the nails. Look at how pretty this polygel is. Absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous color. It's like a pink and a purple together. It's the perfect match. Okay, so for the design, right? I have these red roses that I got from Amazon. And then I have this little skeleton behind like a jail cell that I got from Charlie's Nail Art. And then I have this foil here also from Charlie's Nail Art. You would remember these little heart bling from one of my Shein hauls. Was it Shein? Or was it? No, I think it was AliExpress. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go in after we've applied some top gel to the nail and it's not cured. It's still wet. I'm going to go in with some rhinestone glue. And as you can see here, I have all of my roses and my little nail charms all set up here. So I know where I'm going to be placing each one, which makes it easier for me as well. So one tip I would give you is make sure you have your design already thought out and on the table, ready and waiting for you to just pick it up and just stick it on to your nail. So we're going in with a flower, a heart. We're going to put that little skeleton in the middle there and then finish off with a rose and a heart again. So here's how that is looking. And I curled it under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I did go in with a little bit more of top gel to the sides, just so that I'm able to add some of these Aurora rhinestones, which I think I got from Shein. This mixture of rhinestones, the black rhinestones that I'm putting on now, I think I got this from the Vetsy mystery box, their mystery nail box. I think so. Now for the thumb, it's going to be very basic, very simple. We're just going to go in with a red rose and then we're just going to go around the cuticle area, outlining it with some of these black flat back tiny little rhinestones. So for the other fingers, I have this Venalisa transfer foil gel, I think it's called. I got this from AliExpress, and I haven't applied any base gel to the other nails because transfer foil gel kind of works better on just, you know, you don't need base gel because the transfer foil gel itself is sticky. So I didn't put anything on the nails. So we're just going to go in with some transfer foil gel to about 50% of the nail, and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're just going to go ahead and apply the same beautiful cute little foil transfer from Charlie's Nail Art. I really like these. It's like it's the perfect Halloween love story, you know, skull and bones and some perfect pink little hearts, and there you go, easy peasy. They applied really well. So to protect this foil gel from getting any damage, I'm going to go in with some top gel over the entire nail for all three of the nails, the index, the middle, and the pinky. I think earlier I said whilst I was applying the roses that it was red roses. I know you know that it's black roses, but I just wanted to correct myself. All right. So for these transfer foil nails, I'm thinking I want to outline it. So I'm going to take my liner, black liner, AliExpress gel liner, whatever you call these things, you know what I'm trying to say, the liner. And I'm just going to outline the top part of the transfer nails just to make it look like an outline French. And then I'm going to draw some kind of stitches with the silver one that I have to the back as well as the black. So I did most of that off camera because it's so difficult trying to draw lines in front of the camera and then hold your finger straight. I had to do this twice actually. So, and then when I was done, I was like, you know what, it needed a little bit more. So I went in with some silver crosses that I got from Shein. And this is how the nail turned out. Look at my little skeleton. Look at my little skeleton behind jail. Oh, so cute. Yep, so you're bound by love. Absolutely obsessed with these polygels. Thank you so much, TOBE GLAM, for sending these to me. And I'll see you in the next video.